Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel where we talk about how to make money online. Today, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can make $279 a day with this method. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale you make. It's a great way to make money online without having to create your own product. So, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make $279 a day with affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or category that you want to promote. For example, if you're interested in health and fitness, you can choose a niche related to that topic. Step 2. Find an affiliate program. Once you've chosen your niche, you need to find an affiliate program. There are a lot of affiliate programs out there, but you want to choose one that's relevant to your niche. Some of the most popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Step 3. Promote your affiliate links. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, you need to promote your affiliate links. There are a lot of ways to promote your links, but the most effective methods include writing a blog post, creating a YouTube video, posting on social media, sending an email to your subscribers. Step 4. Track your results. Finally, you need to track your results. This will help you see what's working and what's not, so you can make adjustments and improve your results. So, that's how you can make $279 a day with affiliate marketing. It's not easy, and it takes time and effort to get started, but if you're willing to put in the work, it can be a great way to make money online. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.